Jaclyn here, and I think a lot of y'all know, but for the last few years, I have not had a Valentine, which I'm totally fine with. But this year is different. This year I have a very, very special Valentine. I could not be more excited. And I thought, since I finally have a Valentine, I should totally share that with you, right? Do y'all want to kind of go along with me on my date? Okay, I definitely can't wear this, so I feel like I should go get ready. And I really think that I need to dress up like a lot. What do y'all think? Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna go get ready. Come on, come on. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I'm so nervous. It's a big day. So excited. Where is he? I'm so glad you can make it. I'm really excited. You got me something? I'm so sorry. I didn't get you anything. It's been a while since I've... This is so sweet. I don't even know what it is and I already left. This is for me. It's perfect. It's perfect. And it's the Singles Blizzard. How did y'all not know that my Valentine's Day was the Singles Blizzard? Do y'all know what's in this? Reese's cup filled with truffles filled with caramel, cocoa fudge, peanut butter. The best Valentine's Day I've ever had. Yeah. It's the Dairy Queen Singles Blizzard. You know what I think we need? We need a dance.